Click on the link below to get price. The dehumidifier with a large drainage capacity of a 3.4L water tank is an impressive addition to any household struggling with excess moisture. This unit stands out not only for its size but also for its efficiency and user-friendly features. It has a sleek design that fits well in various home environments, making it practical as well as aesthetically pleasing. One of the most notable features is its large 3.4L water tank, which significantly reduces the frequency of emptying. This is particularly advantageous for those living in humid climates or in areas prone to dampness. The dehumidifier can run for extended periods without interruption, allowing for consistent moisture control. The automatic shutoff feature is a valuable safety measure, ensuring the unit turns off when the tank is full, thus preventing any overflow issues. In terms of performance, this dehumidifier effectively removes moisture from the air, which has made a noticeable difference in my home. Since using it, I've observed a reduction in mold growth and musty odors, and my indoor air quality has significantly improved. The unit operates quietly, which is important for maintaining a peaceful home environment, particularly during the night. The convenience of a removable water tank adds to the overall user experience. It's easy to take out, empty, and clean, making maintenance a breeze. Furthermore, the adjustable humidity settings allow users to customize moisture levels according to individual needs, which is a fantastic feature for those sensitive to humidity fluctuations. In terms of energy efficiency, this dehumidifier is commendable. It consumes less power compared to other models on the market, making it a cost-effective solution for long-term use. Overall, the dehumidifier with a 3.4L water tank is a reliable, efficient, and practical choice for anyone looking to enhance their living environment by combating humidity. It delivers excellent performance, ease of use, and a sleek design, making it a worthwhile investment for maintaining a comfortable home.